Paul Christie, team manager, Dunbeholden.
So Paul Christie, yes, you look like you have a formula, you know. You're getting it right this year, this season, and it's working for you. Tell us, you know, what's the plan?
Well, I don't know if we're actually getting it right yet. There's a lot of work to be done. We first give thanks to God with the glory, great things He have done for the 3 points. However, we have seen some lapses and flaws in our preparation, and as in contrast to our execution, we still see where there are some areas in our team effort that we have to go back to the drawing board and work on. We have been working tirelessly. We're still going to the sun, still going to the gym, trying to get the strength, trying to get the tactical aspect of it right. We are working assiduously just to get it right, and we'll live with the results whenever that comes.
Yeah, I said to get it right in the transfer market, you know, getting in McGregor, you know, coming from overseas, and he came in and got a double. Also, Bygrave continued his impressive form. I think he should, you know, get a call up with the national team. What's your thought on that?
Well, the record speaks for itself, right? There's not a lot for me to say about Mr. Bygrave. As it relates to Mr. McGregor, it's his first game. It's a good start for him, and you can see that although he's moving between the lines and getting in the pockets and all of that. However, you can see that he's still a little bit rusty. However, over a couple more games, he'll be improving and getting it even better.
Okay, thanks for the interview, and continue doing the good work.
Respect.